Okay, so what is the best tire dressing? This is John with BBN Detailing Mobile. The best tire dressing will be a water-based tire dressing. Water-based. I don't like to use oil or silicone base, and we don't have to talk about it in this video because I want to keep it very short. I'm gonna finish this vehicle and return it to the customer. Trying to keep this video under 5 minutes. So this is Masterson spray shine, and you can get it from Amazon. It's a water-based tire dressing. It's liquid, as you can see. So I use that much, and I dress about 20 something vehicles. So imagine the whole bottle is gonna get you about 100 vehicles. That's about 400 tires. That's a lot for just a small bottle like that. So how do you do that? I'll keep it very simple in this video, and I'm trying to do it in one hand. Let me swap hand right here. So you just have to use this tire applicator. I use them as disposable tire applicator, meaning once I'm done with it, with a vehicle, I throw it away. I don't keep it. So these are like 20 cents each, and I don't have to worry about keeping them because they're so cheap. So just spray a little bit like that, and then we dress the tire. It's liquid, so it's not gel-like or cream-like. Less chance for the tire dressing to sling. So that's after dressing, just that part. And then when you move over there, do we have to decrease the tire? It's up to you if you want to do that or not. There are people that they like to do it. For me, most of the time I don't have to. It goes on very easily. And it's quite shiny compared to most water-based dressing that I have tried. And the fact that it's liquid make it one of the best tire dressing, because if you use a cream like, let me show you. We use a cream, oh god, like this one. If you use a cream or gel like this, if you over apply to the tire, it might sling, even though it's still water based, but it can happen. But with this tire dressing, since it's liquid, that would never happen. And you don't want to finish the entire vehicle, apply the tire dressing, then because of the type of dressing that you use, it sling on the vehicle. That's just bad news. This tire is quite big, so I gotta spray a lot more onto the applicator. But smaller tire like sedan, it use far less tire dressing. You don't have to spray as much. Okay, so let me pull back. That's the tire. Let me show you the before. That's the before. This is the after. Very quickly, let me show you my hand. Clean. Well, mostly. If I use the gel type, then it's gonna look far dirtier than it is right now. Okay, let me show you how it looks like after a week. That is after the week. You still can see the shine in it, but I'll bet you on the second week, like most water-based tile dressing, they don't even make it past 2 or 3 days. It will probably lose the shine after 2 or 3 days, but this Masterson spray shine is still shiny. The tile is still shiny after 1 week, so that's very impressive if you ask me. So this spray shine replaces everything else that I have, and I'm gonna start using this because it's so easy and it lasts so long for a water-based tile dressing. I've seen it on the 2 weeks vehicle. It's just amazing. So that's why I'm switching. So that is that. Now I'm gonna leave the link, Masterson spray shine, and affiliate Amazon link in the description below, along with this tire applicator if you want it. These are cheap. In the description below, and if you click on the link, I earn a little commission on it, so that helps me to get more products, to test things out and show you this kind of short review video, straight to the point, so you don't have to waste too much time watching, who knows, 10-20 minutes video on just a tile dressing. We don't have to do that. Okay, well, okay, so if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll bring more reviews on other products in the future. Oh, this is a cheap Grand Cherokee SRT. Let's go to the back. 2018. Okay, well, I'll see you next time. Bye now.